Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Imagine you have a small shop. Maybe it is a shop on the street, or maybe it is an online shop. People do not just walk in and buy immediately. First, they might see a sign outside your shop, then they might come in and look at some product. Then maybe they ask question and finally they decide to buy. This whole journey from the moment they see your shop to the moment they buy is like a funnel. In business, we call it a funnel because many people come in at the top, but only some of them go through all these steps and buy at the end. Now, Kajabi is a platform. People use it to sell courses, coaching, membership, and digital product. Kajabi funnels are the steps you design in Kajabi to guide people from the moment they first hear about you until the moment they buy from you. Let me explain slowly. At the top of the funnel is the first step. This is where people first find out about you. Maybe they see your ad, maybe they find your website, maybe they watch a free video you made, and this is called attracting people. In Kajabi, you can use landing pages to attract people. A landing page is a single page where people can sign up or learn something from you. Then come to the next step in the funnel. This is where you give them something valuable for free. You call this is a freebie or a lead magnet. It could be a short guide, a free lesson, or a free webinar. The idea is they give you their email address and you give them something helpful in return. After that, you start building a relationship with them. In Kajabi, you can send them emails automatically. You can send one email today, another email 2 days later, and so on. These emails help them trust you and see the value of your offer. Then comes to the offer. This is when you tell them about your paid product or service. Maybe you invite them to join your online course. Maybe you offer them coaching. In Kajabi, you can create an offer page with all the details and a button to buy. Finally, the last step of the funnel is the purchase. This is when they click the button, pay and become your customer. But the funnel doesn't stop there. In Kajabi, you can also create post-purchase funnel. This means after they buy, you can offer them something else or you can keep in touch so they buy again later. So in very simple word, Kajabi funnels are like a map for your customer's journey. Step 1, they find you. Step 2, they get something free. Step 3 is you build trust. Step 4, you make your offer, and the last step, they buy. And then you keep the relationship ongoing. Now the reason funnels are so important is because most people do not buy at the first time they see you. They need to see you a few times. They need to trust you, and funnels are help you to guide them slowly until they are ready to say yes. Now why use Kajabi for this? Kajabi puts everything in one place. You can make your landing pages, you can collect email, you can send automatic email, and you can create your offer, you can take payment, you can even deliver your course or your content inside the Kajabi. Now you don't need many different tools. You can do it all in one place. So this was the video for today. Now I hope you understand the Kajabi funnels, like how does it work and what is. So if you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.